access criteria of app demonstration. So 1A, end user can log in using username and password. So let's log in using a testing account. And if I put in the wrong password, as you can see, I cannot log in. But if I change it to the right password, I can log in. And also I can save password, so next time I will be able to auto log in again with my credentials filled. So now 1B is I can change password. So let's put in my old password and change it to a new password. So you can see now after I change it, if I log in again, the old password will not work. I have to use a new password and I can log in. Okay, 1C is admin and users get their respective permissions upon login. So now instead of using a normal user account, let's use an admin account. Now you can see the admin will lead to admin dashboard, so with different permissions, which will be shown later. Now if I log in again using the normal one, I can show that users can actually register accounts. So let's connect to the database, and currently you can see that there is no user called hello4. So let's register hello4. Okay, now if I register again, you can see that the changes are reflected in the database. So there's hello4 now with a hashed password. So let's log in. Now you can see that can log in as hello4. And finally, for 2A, a map on the campus with a labeled building. So here's the campus map, and if I toggle on the labels, I can see the labeled building. So for 2B, is each building on the map can be clicked, leading to their building page. So let's check out B block. Okay, here's A block. Okay, and of course for convenience, you can also for example, use the drop down bar here to toggle to different buildings. Okay, and then next one is for 3A. Each floor in the building can be clicked to show the floor layout map. So you can see the buildings either through here, or you can go to a view buildings and you can see the floor map of different floors of the building, or go to different buildings like that. And 3B is clicking the room in the layout map can view scheduled events happening in the room. For example, here I'm in Charles Cal Square and I see here's the different events happening. And then 3C is user can add and delete rooms from the route plan. So let's add the stop, and now it's added and view the route. So here's Charles Cal Square added in the route. Okay, and next is 4 explore events. So let's delete it just to show that you can delete events. And in the explore events here, we can see the list of locations with the most popular events, which are these 3. And the event location can be clicked in to show the schedule of that location. For example, Eden Center, I can see there's a lot of things happening. And users can add and delete events to their schedule. So let's go to Art Workshops 3, add to my events. You can see now it's added. I can also delete it. Next one is when adding events, their conflicting times are highlighted. So let's add a bit more events just to create a conflicting time. Like that. Let's add some more. Okay, let's add one more. And now, okay, you know what? Let's just add one event from a different floor just to show that I can. Okay, let's add that. Now you can see that there are conflicting time that's highlighted in red, which I can delete to get rid of the conflict. And of course, I can also go add more events, like add that. I can also go to here and let's add some others like that. I can also go to not only from location, but I'll also go to the buildings. If I know where it is, go to a squash court, and then I can add an event like that. I can do that too. Okay, and next one is user can click to show the room the event is taking place on the map. So let's go to my events. I want to know where this is taking place, so I show on map. It's in B block, first floor, and it's in Charles Cal Square. So the event's here. Okay, next one is for route. So 5A, user can generate a route to follow based on the events. So I have these events. Okay, let's delete the conflicting one. I have these events in my schedule, and now I don't have a route, so I can click to generate the route. So the route basically generates the rooms I have to visit to take me through all of these events in order, because the events are sorted by time, and this is a schedule, so I can visit all the events in time. And also I can click to see direction to go to the next stop. So let's say I'm in Charles Cal Square right now. I'm going to go to Eden Center. I click next stop and it will teach me how to go there. And of course, I can also click to see the destination on the floor, which is here. And it also works for different rooms in different buildings. So let's say I go to previous stop. So I'm at gym. I want to go squash court, or just tell me how to get there. Okay. So yeah, that's how it works. And I can of course also delete stops from the route, and you can see that it's deleted. Yeah. Okay. Next one is admins can view all the rooms, order by building and floor. So let's log in against admin. Now I can see all rooms, and I can sort by the different buildings, but now you can see it's already sorted by building and the floor, but I can see exclusively B block buildings or exclusively G block buildings, and so on and so on. So now 6B is I can view and edit all events info inside the rooms. So let's say I want to edit an event in Eden Center, which is an A block. Now I can let's edit coding bootcamp to coding bootcamp 3 and hello. I can also click this to change the time if I want, and the location too. I can just update, and you'll see that now it's updated there. Okay. And next one is for edit all the user info and change the user roles. So let's go to here and can see all the user. Just now I created hello4, which is a normal user, but now let's promote it to an admin. And if I save the changes, oh, and you can see like hello4 is now successfully promoted to admin. Where did it go? It's right here. So now it's an admin. So if I log out now and I log in against hello4, I'll be having admin access. Yep, so that's the most prominent features in my app. Thank you.